Hi, welcome everyone. I'm Liz Naughton, and I'm here today with Erika Ristovski. And Erika is going to do a 20-minute or so meditation for us. It's for the holidays, and I hope you enjoy what she has. In just introducing what Erika does, she is a quantum healer, a psychic, and also a spiritual coach. And before you get started, Erika, would you mind just spending a minute or two and kind of letting everybody know exactly what it is that you do? What is a quantum healer? And how do you incorporate being a psychic either into your spiritual coaching or the healing itself? So I'm going to duck out. I'm going to let Erika take it from here. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in about 20 minutes.
Of course, Liz, my pleasure. Yes, I love that question. Quantum is everything. We live in a field of frequencies and vibrations and endless possibilities. So everything that we don't see is frequency. And how do I connect my gifts, my intuition, and my other abilities? It's all intertwined. I guide people to understand who they are on a soul level, to understand and obtain access to their power and their potency using quantum codes, using different modalities to kind of support them into obtaining physical results. When we talk about energy, it feels like out there, all woo-woo, all kind of like it's not tangible. I feel that with quantum energy, you start really changing your perception. You start really changing the way you think and see the world. Therefore, the world around you changes. So for me, it's more what it is behind the scenes, what it is the inner dialogue, what is happening inwardly, that of course, has a lot to do with the outcomes and how we experience life through that lens. So I love supporting people to understanding that, because everything is quantum. We're all quantum. All the possibilities all around us is just the quantum field. So today I would like to guide you through a grounded meditation in the spirit of the holidays to support us being more present, being more in the body. Make sure that you're in a place where you're not going to be disturbed, that you're not driving or operating any machinery. Take a few breaths to notice all sensations around your body. Notice if your body is experiencing tension or tightness. And just observe without judgment. Taking a minute or two to find a comfortable position for your body, either laying down or sitting up. Making sure that your body is not holding tension and you are not forcing a position. Making sure that the body is completely relaxed. Through your breath, start to let your body just drop and relax. Like if your body was water. And if you're a visual person, like visualizing when you drop water on the ground and the water starts dispersing all throughout. Relaxing the breath, slow and steady breath. Noticing if you're holding tension on your shoulders. And if you would like to develop a further connection to your body, you can start communicating inwardly to your body to lovingly tell your body to lighten, lighten, lighten. If you're experiencing tightness or constriction of any type. Releasing all that is not serving you through your breath. releasing all thoughts, releasing the mind chatter and any kind of judgment that you have towards your thoughts. Releasing the pressure of being or doing anything right now. Just dedicate these few minutes to yourself, to being, to breathing, to stillness, to presence. Noticing your chest and how your chest is moving with your inhales and exhales. Noticing your lower back. And noticing all the points of your body that are touching and connecting to the ground beneath you, to the furniture that is supporting you, or to the ground itself if you're laying down on the floor. Just allow to drop your body more and more with each breath, and lovingly communicating to the body to lighten, 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 if noticing tension, if noticing pain. Noticing your pelvis, your hips, and bringing your breath to those parts of your body to really feel them. Notice even on your skin and what you're feeling through the sensations of the clothes that you're wearing, the texture pressing on your skin. Start connecting through your senses, through the physical touch. As you keep your attention on your breath and slow and steady. Relaxing your thighs. Feeling them stable and grounded in the here and the now. Noticing your knees, your chins, your feet, the soles of your feet. And notice if you have any thoughts coming in and out. They're just fine. Just bring back your awareness to your breath and your body. Noticing the physicality of your being. Noticing the space that your body is taking in the environment that you're in. Notice how solid is your body in the space. Take a slow breath through your nose, inhaling, holding for a few seconds, and then slowly releasing through your lips. And you can create like lips, like a straw, like you holding a straw with your lips and slowly releasing down to the earth. Any tension, any thought, any distraction that is taking you away from being in your body, from being in your presence, noticing the essence of who you are. Feeling physically stable, rooted in the now, grounded in the present moment. Allowing the body to drop and relax a little bit more with each breath. And keeping that breath going at your own rhythm. Inhaling through your nose. Holding for a few counts. And slowly releasing through your lips as if you're holding a straw with your lips. Slowly release down to the earth, down to the ground. Whatever is bothering you now, whatever is causing discomfort now, just allow yourself to release down to the earth now. Any worry, any anxiety that you're experiencing, just allow to release through your breath with your intention, releasing down to the ground. Come back to your top of your head, noticing all sensations around your head, the back of your head, and neck, and shoulders. And noticing if the body feels lighter or heavier than when you just started. Notice if your body has less or more space. And this doesn't have to make sense, it's just a feeling. It's a knowing. Relaxing through it. Noticing your shoulders. Noticing your upper back. Again, noticing your lower back. And using your breath, if you notice that is something else that you're holding on to that needs to be released in order for you to be more present, to be more grounded in the here and now. And notice how your body is relatively still. Notice your abdomen. Notice again your thighs, your knees, your chins. And notice your body in relationship to the space. Take a few breaths of all the noticing. Notice the noise around you. Notice if you can feel people talking and chattering around you. Any noise of cars passing by. Tune into the present moment. Taking another deep breath, inhaling through your nose. Big lungs, big abdomen. And then release with a big sigh. Ah. Release any and all accumulated tension, discomfort, or tiredness. And allow yourself to experience your body in a new light, more compassionate awareness of your body, and a deeper connection to your body. What the body is trying to tell you through discomfort, through pain. Notice if you still have discomfort, if you had any initially. Just allow yourself to let it go. Take a few moments to wiggle your body, wiggle your toes, fingers, and gently stretch if you feel the need to. Open your eyes when you feel ready and notice the space around you. Look at an object, then look at your body for spatial reference. Take another cleansing breath. Inhale through your nose, big lungs, big abdomen. Release with a big sigh. You're ready to go through your day. Get ready to sleep wherever you're at. I hope that this grounding meditation was supportive and beneficial for you, and it supports you to feel more present. Thank you for listening, and thank you for connecting with me. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Erika, thank you so much. I feel so incredibly relaxed right now. I so appreciate the meditations. Before we wrap up, do you have any thoughts? Well, first of all, how can we get a hold of you if we would like to work with you one-on-one?
I have my website is Erika, Erika Ristovski, Ristovski.com. There is links to my YouTube channel, to ways to work with me one-on-one or groups. So I would love to support you and connect with you in deeper ways.
Awesome. And I will also put the information on the intro page in my YouTube and also Spotify.
Awesome.
Great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.